კი no connection იქნება, არ მარწყობს. Hello friends, I'm back. Hello Sao. Jay, hi again Kate, happy to see you again. Thank you very much. So let's collect a little bit more people and let's start trading. But first of all I have to copy this live into my second channel, Kate Tutorials, in order to get more and more people. So let's wait a little bit and then we can just start trading. So I think the live is switched on Kate Tutorials as well. So hello everyone. Who just joined to my live trading. So first of all, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Wish you all the best thing in 2019, and we can just collect a little bit more people and then we can just start trading. So people who watch on Kate Tutorials, please go to the link in the description where is my new channel, where will be shown some live streaming every day, almost every day. So you can go to the link in the description and subscribe to the new channel and like this live stream video if you like it, of course, and if you want to see it more and more times. So I kindly ask you to do that for my sake. So we have to trade on 5 minutes, so expire will be 5 minutes as it was the day before yesterday. So let's wait a little bit to get a good moment and we can start trading. the audio sound perfect, and also look at here. The image. Let's get down to business now. So let's do business, Jay. Super Trump. Hello, Tang. Where I can find these parameters that you're using for this method. You know, down the screen you see two indicators, MACD and RSI. These two indicators are my loveliest ones. So you can just switch that indicators, and that's all. Hello, Omar. Madni Palma, hi. In 5 minutes we would bet put, of course. So let's wait these 5 minutes and I will write some your comments. Hello, Hamza, Emmanuel, Anderson, Dark Advisor. Hi, greetings from Finland. Thank you, Finland, for taking your time to watch my live streaming. Happy New Year, dear. Thank you. So again, someone is writing that everything is fake. If you can prove what is fake, I would be very glad to hear you. So you can just write what is fake. You can explain me what is fake. Hola, Kate. Hola, Lima. This person is fake. Oh my god. I am not fake. I am real, Kate. She is making stupid. Okay. It's difficult to hear louder. Please more volume if it's possible. I think my voice is too loud, and that's the problem. So in about 3 minutes we will bet put. Someone just wrote here that there, guys, she took money from me, $100, but still not return my money. Oh my god. You know, I cautioned you lots of times, thousands of times, that here are lots and lots of fake Kates, lots of how to explain, fake people who just contact you on my behalf. So you don't have to trust to anyone who just suggests you to use your account, to manage your account if you give them money. So this is the easiest way to earn money, and this is the problem of yours. So I never asked to anyone to give me money. This is just unbelievable for me. In 1 minute I will bet put. So I don't feel nervous when someone call me fake, and it doesn't hurt me because I've never scammed to anyone. So I am really sorry about this. So if you just search in YouTube, You can just write Kate tutorials, and here you find about 10 channels copied from my channel. They copied all of my videos. They copied my name, my picture, everything. So they are all fake. And you trust in them, not in me. This is your problem. And that's why you always get scammed. I think it's your problem and not mine. In 20 seconds I will bet put. Can I invest to you, Kate? Please answer. No, of course, because your account is only yours and you don't have to give it to another person. You have to just remember this. This is how to explain. This is the main rule in trading. Your account is only yours. It belongs only to you. Hello. Brazil. Hello, Brazil. No man, she just find a way of making people stupid and also a way of earning through YouTube. Oh my gosh. It seems that you never be in touch with YouTube because YouTube doesn't pay for how to say for binary options, so you can just check it. So I don't get any money from YouTube. And if you don't like my videos, you can just go out. I never asked to anyone to give me money, to invest money in my account, and etc. etc. So if you like my videos, if you like my tutorials, you can just come into my videos. You can just get a little bit more about binary options. If you don't like it, and if you don't trade, if you are not a trader, you can just not to watch me. It's not a problem for me. Adita Barwai, is all your videos fake? I feel shocked. But maybe you can log in to my trading account and trade for me, Kate. Angara Permana. No, of course. No and no. So as you see, the market is not steady for today. It's not today's market, but You have to remember that the most aggressive period of trading time is from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. where is opened only American stocks. So this is the most aggressive. So I think it would be great if I suggest you, if I advise you not to trade on that time. You can trade after that time from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. That's why the market is too unsteady. A little bit down, please. It was not fair. Oh my gosh. The candles just went down. So if I was a little bit late, I would get some profit. So we have to wait a little bit. So as I told you, the main thing, one of the mainest thing about the trading is to recover your losses. So in order to recover them, I always use martingale scale, but I have my own scale. For example, for the first trade, I lost $10. So in order to recover, I have to bet. In order to recover and to get small profit, I have to bet $20. In 3 minutes, I will bet put. Hi Kate, I have been a fan for years. Do you make a real live trading binary? Yes, it's live streaming. How many YouTube accounts do you have? Totally I have 3 YouTube channels. This is binary option VIP methods. This is the oldest one. Second is Kate tutorials, and the third is this new channel live stream trading. So this is 3 channels that I own. The rest copied channels are not mine. Some people, I don't know who, they copied all of my videos, they copied my pictures, everything. The broker in your link is having few indicators compared to the one in your videos. Why don't giving the link to your broker? This is IQ option. You can go to IQ option. open a demo account and you will get all the indicators. But I think expert auction has these indicators as well. I mean MACD and RSI. So in 35 seconds, sorry, 35 seconds I will bet. Okay, do you have a group or something we can join? Unfortunately, I don't have any groups. Hello. I'm so sorry. So now the voice is up. So can you hear? What time frame? You know, I choose 30 seconds candles, but expiry is 5 minutes. Not voice. You are very beautiful. Thank you, Akash. So if you hear properly, please, or if you don't hear properly, please write in comments, because the program which I am using is a little bit confusing to me, because it's new to me, so I have some problems with it. Please go down a little bit more. Oh my gosh. So we lost $30. It means that we have to recover, so we have to bet $45. So as you see, the market is too unsteady. It makes some I don't know, some confusing mountains. So I will bet in 3 minutes. So people who are watching this live stream on Kate Tutorials, please go to the link in the description where is my new channel for live stream tradings. Go to that link and subscribe to my new channel, and please like the video if you like it, of course. So I think I will have such live stream tradings where we will trade together. So not only me, but we all. So in 1 minute I will bet put. So I had this live trading the day for yesterday as well, and some people just wrote me that they wanted full capital tradings, so trading with much money. So I really will have such tradings with big money as well, but I just don't want to encourage people to trade as me. So that's why I'm just trading with $10. I just start trading with $10 and not with $100, for example. So let's wait, and I will read some your comments. How did you get binary on IQ? You can just open a demo account, and then on the left side you can just choose which one you want, binary or forex, etc. I was blocked from chatting on the other channel, disappointed. You know, it was not me, it was YouTube, because YouTube decided to unsubscribe and block all the users who is not active on channels. So it was not me. So if you get disappointed, I am so sorry for it. Which pair are you trading? So on the left side you see Euro USD. So I just copied my new channel in live chat on K tutorial, so you can go to that new channel link and subscribe to my new channel. Some people think that, and this is really bad, that some people think that I always win trades. I am a winner person. It's not true, because I do lose some money sometimes, but it's important in trading. It is to have more wins than losses. So it means that we have to recover our losses step by step. It's left 1 minute and about 20 seconds, and the chart is going up as well. I just don't understand what the hell is going on the market, but it happens. It happens, often happens, unfortunately. So you see Kate tutorials. So in order to show you some scammers who are not me, I can just show you these people. I can just show you these people, such kind of people. For example, look at this. Oh my God, I don't know if it's shown. Kate tutorial. Kate tutorial daily. It's not me. It's someone else who just copied my channel, and he or she have just replied to some people. Write me, okay, if only you are serious. I use this to chat, okay? Kate tutorial daily. You are a scammer, so please go out from my channel and don't make me feel nervous, because I have some live trading and I have to do the business. I have already blocked this user, so I hope she or he will not be able to chat on my to write in chats on my channel. So this is the third time when we put when we bet a put, and when the trade and then the candles just started going down. This is not fair. The market is out of control. But I'm not interested, because I have to recover all my losses. First I bet $10, then 20, then 45. It means that I have to recover at least $75. So in about 1 minute and 8 seconds I will bet I feel very nervous, because this happens very rare when I get 3 losses at the same time, and it's not good. On such days, generally I try not to trade. So I want to just ask you how which trades would you like to see, with a small amount of money or with, for example, big amount of money? To start trading, for example, with $10 or with, for example, $100. Which one do you prefer to see? With $10, Selatolo, $10. George, $1. George, $10. White background, see problem. White background, see problem. I don't understand. You know, the video has HD quality, so if maybe you just switched low quality, you can just change the quality of videos by settings. You have to set 1080. And it would not be any problem. Okay, George, I understand. So you prefer with $10, but sometimes we can just trade with full capital, maybe, to be more and more interesting. Can you please put the indicator in the description below after the live stream? Thank you. Yes, of course I can. But don't you see on the screen, on the low part of the screen, you see RSI on 25 and MACD on 12, 26 and 9. But if you can't see, I will write down in the description. Big fan of you. Thank you, Malik. Love fun. Yes, this is my scale for martingale to recover the losses. So as I saw, unfortunately, I have 3 losses, and in order to recover $75, I had to bet $105. But for example, if you have less money to start trading, you can just start with $1. For example, if you bet for the first trade, you bet $1 and you lose. For the second trade, you can bet $2. For the third trade, you can bet, I don't know how much it would be, maybe $4.50, and etc. This is the best way to recover the losses, and the candle is trying to go up, and if it goes up, I will get very, very mad of it. Great job, plus $91. Plus $10. It means that I have plus $10 on my account. So we have just recovered our losses. It means that everything is going very well, and we have recovered, and we have plus $10 on our account. So you have to just remember that it's better to have small profit and guaranteed profit than just risk your money. It's better to be patient and to get small profit and not to risk your money at all. Great job, Kate. And the main thing, the main key is that you don't have to worry about your losses. Your emotions always manage you, so you don't have to worry in any way. Let's wait about 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and I will bet. I will bet $10, of course. So when you recover your losses, then you start up with $10. So if you, for example, if you want quicker trades, because this is a little bit slow trade, because I trade in 5 minutes, once in 5 minutes. So if you prefer some quicker trades, we can just start with $1. We can make our own scale of martingale using $1, then $2, then $4.50, etc. And we can trade on 1 minute. So if you want such option, you can just write in comments, and we will just start with $1, and expiry will be only 1 minute. So if you prefer that, we can just use that one. So if you prefer some slow trading, we can just continue trading like this. Do you do paid tutorials? No, I don't do paid tutorials. Do you do paid? No, I don't. 2 or 3 minutes was enough. You would have won several times. Director, you are right. I would won several times in these 3 occasions. But if you have one method, you have to follow the method. You have to end the method up. So if you bend from the method, it's not good. It's not good for you. It's not good for your balance. It's not good for your capital. So it's very bad. If you say that I have started with $10, I will use martingale scale. I will trade 5 minutes on each trade. It means that you have to follow these steps and you don't have to bend from your method. Yes, do trading in 1 minute time frame. Hi, and also teach while you make every trade. I use $1, then $2, then 4, then 9, 20. Thanks for angle. Yes, this is good. Malik, this is good method. Are you gonna trade like this every day? You know, I can't promise you to have every day because I found myself very busy. For example, yesterday I wanted to have some live stream as well, but I couldn't. So I'm going to have almost every day, but not every day. No, let's keep in this way, George Charimba. Thank you if you answer in writing. If you ask where else. If you ask where else trading. If you ask where else trading. I don't understand, sorry. Sorry, David, I don't understand your question. I won my trade. Thank you. George. Great job, George. How do you trade outside the European Union? You know, it depends where you are from, because in some countries, for example, in some countries, IQ option is not allowed, but the second option which I use is expert option. So I don't know if you like expert option, because for me, for example, the platform system is one of the main important thing in trading, because if it looks like a little bit confusing, and I don't use such brokers. So platform should be managed. So I suggest you, if you, for example, if IQ option is not allowed in your country, you can use expert option maybe. Can't explain how happy I am to see you in live. So excited. Malik, so thank you very much. I do appreciate all the good words you say to me, so thanks for such words. Okay, this lost 100%. Yes, you're right. In 15 seconds, I will bet put. You know, sometimes I found that the market is rough, unsteady, and it's really difficult to predict the motion of the market. So in such days I always try not to trade, but for today I have live streaming, so I'm not going to switch off live streaming because of the market. But if you are trading today, I don't suggest you to trade. And people who watch on K tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. I've just linked in live chat my new channel. So if you are new, please go to that link and subscribe to my new channel, where I will have every day, almost every day, live streaming. And please kindly ask you to like the video, because this is very important to see other people you know, some people just writing comments in some language, but I do not understand what the language it is, so I cannot read it and I cannot reply them. Sad Sami can recover. Yes, of course, I don't worry about my losses, because I do always recover my losses, so it's not a problem to me. Do you make living on trading, or do you have a day's job? If I understand, do you make living on trading? You know, I do live and I do get my daily money and my monthly money from binary options, and I don't have another job at this time. I don't have another job. This is the only job I do. Love you, you are the best. Thank you. Means you are working or only depending on trading? Yes, I am dependent on trading, only on trading. I don't have another job. Okay, got the answer. Okay, thank you. You know, you have to do the business in your life. You have to do the business which you can do the best. So if you are a good trader, I think this is the best way to sit at home with your computer and to have profit. This is the easiest way, I think, but it's really risky, and it's not really easy to get money on the market. But if you do it your best, if you can do it, and if you can predict the motion of the market, and if you can do some technical analysis, I think this is the best way to make money, because you are not obliged, or I don't know how to say, you should not go to the job. You should not wake up 9 a.m., for example, which is the biggest problem for me because I'm a little bit sleepy girl. So I found this is the easiest way to get daily money. And we've already recovered plus $17. It means that I have plus $7. I really want to learn. I have lost like $1,000 in this. For me, it's a lot of money. You know, I want to ask you, for example, how much money did you invest in each trade? I mean, how much money did you bet in each trade? So if you are here, you can just ask me this question, because if you have $1,000 on your account, you can make a great schedule. $1,000 is not small money. It's a big money. Good. I lost all my money when I deposit. I lost all my money when I deposit all the time. You know, you see that sometimes I do lost money, but I don't know what to just advise you. I don't know how you just lost all your money. I don't understand. Maybe you just risk all your capital in one trade. You have to learn how to manage your money. If you have, I always tell you that if you have, for example, $100, you have to start trading with only $1 and not more. But people who have $100, they start trading with $10, and this is the biggest mistake in trading. So if you have, for example, $1,000, you can start trading with $10. I deposit only $100 and I invest $1. Yes, this is good. Sad Sammy, I watched all your videos the day before, but now it's gone. Why? I watched all your videos the day before, but now it's gone. Why? Oh, I don't know. You mean the videos that I have in the past? I just delete all of them. I use martingale. Yes, martingale is good in order to recover losses, because you cannot find anyone, you cannot find a person who can just always predict the market movement. This is just impossible, because here exist lots of artificial ways. I'm going to put a call in about 30 seconds. Do you do it every day? No, of course, I never trade on weekends, on Saturday and Sunday, because it's not real stock. Real stocks, we have, as you know, 4 major stocks in the world. So these stocks are closed at Saturday and Sunday. So I don't trade on these days. So we recovered losses in the last trading, so we can just start up again with $10. Is it true that some people block their account when they get good amount of profit? You know, I found hundreds of and thousands of brokers which are fake and which are scam, and they react like this. They block you money when you earn lots of money, or they just don't allow you to withdraw your money. This is the main problem of the world in tradings, because it's really difficult to find a normal broker. But I found that the most reliable and the best brokers in the world, I think, is IQ Option and Expert Option. I've never been scammed at these platforms. And for American people, as I remember, it is Nedex maybe. I don't remember the name exactly. I mean, if you will do the live from Monday to Friday, you know, it depends on my time. I am going to have almost every day live streaming, but not every day. I can't just promise you to have everyday live streaming, but I will have very often. It's live, Muhammad, it's live. Thank you, Marpa, for subscription. Kate, I subscribed your new channel. Malik, thank you very much. Oh my god. So you see here as well, I found one of the fake scammer who just write in comments. This is Sarah Bruce maybe, this is the name, who just replied to Malik, Anwar Malik. Sarah Bruce just replied you, Malik, I advise you get in touch with Mr. Katerine. What the hell is it? So this is one of the scammers who just suggest you to contact to someone, to unknown persons, to make you deposit some money and to scam you from your money, and this is awful thing. Kate, I love you. Ahmad, thank you. Kate, your sound is very slow, very difficult to understand. Oh my gosh, the trade has just finished and the candle just went up. This is not fair. So in about 4 minutes I will bet. Sam C, I used to see your videos and K tutorials. It was simply like magic, but now you are trading like me too. Ha! Oh, this is so funny. I uploaded on K tutorials, and as I told you, I have totally 3 channels: Binary Ocean VIP Method, K tutorials, and the third is this new one, live stream trading. So I uploaded such videos where I had the best moments of my trades and not the worst moments of my trades, because and I could not upload the whole video of my trading because it's really difficult, because it would be maybe 2 hours. In about 1 minute, 1 minute and 30 seconds, I will bet. Kate, will you broadcast next week? Omar Al. I will try to have a live streaming tomorrow as well. Maybe after tomorrow as well, except for Saturday and Sunday. I will try to have live streaming almost every day. Lots of channel of your name, how to contact you. In about 30 seconds I will bet put. Lots of channels of your name, how to contact you. this is what I was speaking about. I found lots and lots of hundreds of scammer people um, who just contact to people on my behalf, and I found dozens of channels on my name as well. So when you, for example, write in YouTube search Kate tutorials, you found you get some channels. My channel is which has more than 30,000 subscribers. So if they have small subscribers, it means that all of them are fake. In India, the time is 8:22 p.m. So when are you gonna live again? I will not have any exact time to trade. It depends on my free time. But I think I don't know. Somewhere maybe around 6 p.m. on Indian time, I will have some trades. Kate, speak loud, we cannot hear. I don't know how to fix this problem. Maybe I will have some problems with my microphone. I don't know. How old are you? I'm 25. I'm trying to invest. If you could help me, I would be very pleased. I would be very pleased. Superman. Why you are not trading live like you are trading in videos continuously? You fake and scam. I'm fake. I'm scammer. Oh my god. Thanks to God that I can just laugh on such people, and I can feel happy when reading such comments. I'm not fake people. I am real Kate. And I do sometimes lose money. I always told you that I lost some money, but the main thing of the trading is to recover all your losses. So if you recover your losses, it means that you are great trader. So if you always lose, you have to just finish your trading. Giovanni Mancuso, I love you. Thank you, Giovanni. So the candle went down. You know, today is very, very crazy market. So I don't advise you to trade today, because it's really, I don't know how to express my emotions about today's platform. Oh my god. Oh, oh my God. This was just unreal. Oh my God. And the trade was over and the candle went down, of course. Ah. With respect, very young, intelligent, and beautiful. Thank you, Edison. You know, the live is late about 7 or 8 seconds, so people who are just trading in me, maybe they had all these trades win because after finishing all the trades, the chart was going the way which we want, which we expect. So I think all the people who just trade with me, they got lots of win. What is the best time for trading here? 8 p.m. night. What's the best time? You know, except American stock trading, because American stock works from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. so except GMT, of course, so except that time you can trade anytime. So the time at which I am trading now is the worst and the most aggressive. So you don't have to trade when the only American stock is open and the others are closed. So if in your country is, for example, 8 p.m. it means that American stock is already opened. Maybe it's better to trade after 10 p.m. Kate, you live in Cherry Hill? What's the best time to trade Asia? I'm already told that the time except from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. GMT. But in your time maybe it's, I don't know, from 1 p.m. or from 2 p.m. till 8 p.m. Sorry, 10 p.m. From 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. maybe it's the worst time to trade. You can just trade except for this time. In about 45 seconds I will bet $45. You know, I want to show you the trade with low risk and not very risky trade where you can buy or you can lose. Because the right trading method is not, can't be risky, because it's not gambling. It looks like gambling because you win or you lose, but If you make such option, if you make your own method, it would not be a gambling. Mhm. Uka. What? Ukachu. Oh, I don't know what your name is correctly said. Yes, this is live. Uh, Call strong 5 p.m. You work every day for IQ. I don't work for IQ option. I trade on IQ option because I found that this is one of the most and one of the best trading platform and trading company. Your work, I won that trade because I have delay here. No, you don't have any delay. The live is late about uh, 8 seconds, and this is why you won all the trades. Yes, I am win. Congratulations, Mark's gameplay. I am running 50 seconds ahead of your clock so far. All my positions were 18. You live in lol, even the in chatting section. Your balance is already more than my monthly salary. Hi dear Kate, I am your fan. Where are you live? Live. You can IQ option binary trading. I can't because I live in Germany. Do you trust Binary.com? Binary.com. Yes, Binary.com is quite good company, but I traded there maybe 2 years ago. Because to say truly, I don't like the platform. You live in Germany. I don't remember exactly, but IQ option is not allowed in Germany, unfortunately. But I can suggest you, if you want and if you know how to trade, you can open expert option and you can just write them in live chat. And you can just ask them if they are allowed in Germany. You live in Cherry Hill? No, I don't. Great. Now I am sure to make it in my trades. I have been hoping for this. Time frame, please. 5 minutes. Hi, real money. IQ option is real side for trading. You are right. So I've just copied my so plus $38.70 I think we recovered losses. So how much I have on my account? Totally 3,930. So I don't remember the exact amount I started trading. So I'm interesting how much profit I have. Thank you, Christian Salazar. Thank you, Saad Sami. In Europe, IQ option is forbidden. Not all over the Europe. In some countries, they have some exceptions. In some countries, IQ option is allowed, but most of countries, they are forbidden. Good trade. Thank you, Edison. I would like to know the days and the times. In about 3 minutes I will bet. I would like to know the days and the times so that I won't miss any of this. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ukan. Unfortunately, I can't tell you the exact times, but you can just come into my channel, or you can just click, you know, if you subscribe to my channel, you can just click the ring sign next to the subscribe sign, and when the live stream is on, you will get a notification. So you will just be able not to miss my live streaming. Just click the ring sign next to the subscribe sign. What is your thinking? Binary.com is a good broker, or, you know, Binary.com is a good broker, but I don't like the platform, so I don't lose them. I'm back again, sorry Kate, I had to pick up my bike to work. Great, Jay. Great. When you just take care of your wife. In about 40 seconds I will bet. Hi, good job. I have already subscribed to your channel. Thank you very, very much, Raul. In 5 seconds I will bet. must be funny in every transformed. Na, 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 na. Best time frame, tell me, madam. The best expiry is, I think, 5 minutes. Will you operate live every day? Sorry for my language. Tell me how job. You know, I'm going to have almost every day. I can't promise you to have every day, but I will have some exceptions as well. Hello. So, did you remember? Do you remember how much money I had when I started trading today? If you remember, please write in comments, because I'm interested how much profit I have for today. Flicky. Only 5 seconds is left. And another $8 profit on my account. So I think the market of today is very unsteady, and I don't want to continue trading. Looks like you bet on only on specific time, like 5-10 minutes of a nice specific reason in mind, while putting back missing this observation in your previous tutorials, but being curious. Shailesh, I don't know why I put why I bet only that times, but sometimes sometimes I bet on other times as well. I don't know what to answer to this question. Thank you as well. Thank you. Okay, I want to reply some of the comments. Best time frame. Tell me, madam. I've already replied. You will operate live every day. I don't know. I joined you 15 minutes ago. You joined me 15 minutes ago, but you can just look my live when I end it up. Thank you. 100 recovered. Oh, great job, Sad. Great job, Kate. Thank you very much. I want to tell you lots and lots of thanks for taking the time to watch my live streaming. So I don't want to continue trading today because I don't like the market, the way it just reacts. So I think for today it's enough. I have somewhere $40 profit, and I think it's enough to get more $40 than to lose hundreds of dollars. So thanks for everything. I hope you will have a great day and great night, and maybe see you tomorrow. Thank you.